Welcome everyone to a new episode of Draw With Us. I am Sam.
I'm Emmie.
And today it's Mother's Day. So we're gonna do something a little bit different than usual. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna do a card for our mothers.
Perfect. So first, what do we need?
So we need 2 red papers because we're 2. And we're gonna need other papers of different colors. 3 other papers of different colors. Okay, so
scissors, glue, and
markers.
Okay.
So first we're gonna fold this into and so now we're gonna write I love you, Mom, but you can write anything.
Okay.
Okay, so under what I wrote, I'm gonna draw a heart, but you can trust it. Now I'm gonna draw 2 holding the hearts.
I'll keep it simple.
Okay, so then we're gonna open the card, the paper, and we're gonna put this on the side first, okay? And we're gonna take the gray, because we're gonna do a big flower with the color gray.
Okay.
So to start to make a flower, we're gonna fold it in 2, okay? And then we're gonna refold it. Okay, so make sure that there's some that are separate. This side there's 4, okay? There's 4 here.
Okay.
Now on this side there's only 2.
Oh yeah?
And the side where there's 2, we're gonna put it on this side, okay?
Okay.
And so we're gonna take this corner down here and we're gonna fold it like a triangle. And so then we're gonna take a marker and we're gonna draw a petal. Okay, and you can do it big or small.
Just one side?
Yeah,
like
try
this?
to do it big because after we're gonna put the 2 flowers. Do it
This?
big. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you're gonna cut it out. And then you need to open it. So first you're going to see a heart, but after, see a big flower.
Whoa! That's awesome. That's cool.
Big flower.
Where did you learn that? At school?
Yeah, so then we're going to put this on the side with the red paper. And we're going to take the blue paper and we're gonna cut it in 2 because we only need a half of this paper. Okay,
That's mine?
Yeah. So first, we're gonna do the same thing. So fold it in two. And refold it. Make sure this thing is on this side. So
Okay.
side where there's two. Take this corner, fold it in a triangle. And we're gonna draw again the petal with the marker. Then cut it out. Open it. Okay.
Another one.
Put it on the side, and we're gonna do a last one. And this time we're gonna cut it in half, and after we're gonna cut it again.
So this time I think I need this
Wait.
side and you, yeah.
Yeah, and
Just-
but first we're gonna cut in like this.
Oh, again? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it will be a smaller flower.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I take this
So we
one.
don't need this thing.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna fold it in two. Four. This one is gonna be really little. And we put the piece over there too on this side, and this. It's okay if it's completely big. Could be just a triangle. Open it and make the last flower. Okay, so now we're gonna take our red paper and our flowers,
Okay.
and we're gonna take a glue. So we need to share this glue because there's only one glue. And so first, we're gonna take the big flower and the blue flower. And we're gonna put glue in the middle. And we're gonna glue it in the middle of the gray flower. Okay? And then we're gonna...
Do we need to align like the petal like that, or?
You don't need to, you can do however you want. So then we're gonna put the glue in the green paper in the middle, and put it in the middle of the blue paper. Oops. Okay. So now we're gonna take the gray paper. We're gonna put glue in the middle but behind. And we're gonna put it, and we're gonna glue it in the middle of the red paper. Then you're gonna try to fold it. You're gonna fold it after. Fold it. You're gonna press hard on it and then open it. Like this it could be fold.
Nice.
Okay, so if you want to, we still have green paper, so we can do hearts.
Okay.
Okay, so to do hearts, we're just gonna do a straight line with our scissors. Turn to do a rainbow shape. Come down and come up. Rainbow shape. Come back down. Okay, you can So I'm gonna color this heart because I don't want it to be green. I'm gonna make it red. I'm gonna
I'll keep it green.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it in the middle of my flower, but you can put it on the side. So I'm gonna take the glue. Put it in the middle of my flower. So in decoration you can do anything you want, but it's easier to make hearts if you take a corner like this. You don't need to cut the first part. Okay, and now I'm gonna do and make another heart. You done?
Yeah, I'm done. It's really beautiful.
With decoration, you can do anything you want, but I made, because we didn't do exactly the same, but that's okay. That's when it's not very pretty. I'm gonna glue it here. Okay. I think we're done.
We're done. So let's show to our viewers the results.
Friends. So you can draw something on the back, but I'm not going to draw something.
Really nice.
Maybe we should sign it before.
Correct. I forgot.
On the back of the paper. I'm gonna make it do it on the back.
So yeah, we need to sign it, obviously.
Okay.
And voila. Nice. Oops.
The glue got off. It's okay.
So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumb up. Subscribe to our channels. We try to publish new videos like that every Sunday morning. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.